वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल my style Goan roast chicken. So roast chicken and how to make that and what you need. So this is without oven. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचें गोवन चिकन रोस्ट. ओके, गोवन रोस्ट चिकन. आनी ताका लागून कितें कितें जाय तें पळयात. तो ही जावन आसा एक आख्खी कोंबी. सो 1 whole chicken which is like of 1 kg. And this is our main ingredients of this recipe. Then we need 2 whole pod of garlic. Okay, and we need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, olive oil olive oil we need to apply it for our chicken. Then we need around, this is around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Kashmiri chilies. Okay, 10 Kashmiri chilies. Then I will be taking around 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. So this is yellow mustard which I have made powder and kept. Now I will make paste out of it. Then additional, this is 1 cup of rice I have taken, and 1 stock of Maggi cube which I am going to, this is washed and soaked. So I will be adding this Maggi cube into this rice, mix it and then stuff it inside the chicken. So 2 in 1. Then additional what we need for our rice to give flavor is some spices, that is 3 cardamoms, green cardamoms, 4 black pepper and 3 cloves. So this will go for to flavor our rice. Salt little bit and this Maggi cube, and also we will drizzle some oil on this also, olive oil. So let's start. First of all, we have to make not a paste, but we have to crush this chilies to a coarse powder. Then we have to crush this garlic, or you can make it a paste or whatever it is. So here is a chili, homemade chili flakes, and here is our garlic also. So now let's do the marination. And here is our yellow mustard paste. So let's apply salt to this. Salt. Then we'll apply some olive oil. So olive oil, you give a nice massage for the entire chicken. Now chicken with skin or without skin, it's totally up to you. Now we will apply our chili to the entire chicken. Then our mustard paste. You can apply mustard sauce also. Then we'll apply our garlic to this and stuff the garlic inside also. You can stuff this inside, and now the time is to stuff our rice also inside the chicken, and we can keep this for overnight or you can keep this for 2 hours. Then we'll put this vinegar also. You can apply lime juice also, but I am using vinegar. Now we have to prepare our rice, which will go for stuffing, and the potatoes I am going to leave it like this only, all inside the pan. So for the rice stuffing, what we are going to use in our chicken, so mix this salt a little bit and this Maggi cube. So I've crushed my Maggi cube and we will mix this inside our rice. Add little bit of salt to this. हे एक्स्ट्रा हें जें करता तुका तें करपाची गरज ना, कळ्ळें न्हू? तूं ना जाय म्हणशी चे या आनी कोण करतलो, या एक्स्ट्रा करता कित्याक एक फ्लेवर येवपाक गो. तांदूळ आहले न्हू थिंगासर बासमती. हय आनी तेजे उबेनूच शिजतले ते. एक्चुअली बोनी करूया आतां जाय जाल्यार तांदळान. टूथपीक दी सांग मातशी हेंचला आसतलें तेजेशें. टूथपीक शिवर टूथपीक. So I have sealed this with a toothpick. So just take a toothpick and you have to seal this so that the rice doesn't come out. Take like this and seal it. So now it's ready to go to cook. Potatoes we will just give like this by fork. With skin, without skin, again is your option. So let's add little bit of olive oil, like 1 tablespoon. Here, so 1 tablespoon of oil add, and it is healthy because it is cooked with olive oil. Make the oil hot, and 1 cup or 2 cups you can add hot water. So it's hot, and now we will add our chicken to this. And leave our potatoes by sides wherever space is there. And we'll add hot water and also the remaining masala which was there. Don't waste it, just leave it on the chicken. And we'll cook this now for around 45 minutes on low flame. Let's add hot water now on this. So half, till the half chicken, low flame, and let's cook this covered on low flame. So 40 to 45 minutes on low flame, let it get cooked. I will show you the results then later. The chicken which is cooked, okay, along with the rice. So what we'll do, we will leave it like this only, and I will show you the final result once it is warm, because now I cannot open it and show you all the rice and all. Yeah, is our chicken ready. Our roast chicken is ready. So let's serve it in a plate. So here it is, nicely cooked. Everything is cooked. Even the rice, if you can see, is all cooked. Okay, so only remove your toothpick while serving and keep it aside. And potatoes are also nicely cooked. So I can show you one like this only. It's cooked. So I will slice it and serve it with this chicken. It's very, very tasty, and I'm very happy with the result. So here is my rice, fully cooked and done. Okay, थँक यू सो मच. मानता तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी हें आमी सर्व करून आतां हें खावया.
Here we go, the final result of the chicken. Looks yummy and tasty. Serve it with nice potatoes and garnish it with dhania. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.